Ants nesting under your carpets or floor mats? That stuff can get seriously annoying and even gross, but you can totally handle it without freaking out or calling in a ton of expensive help. So, here's the deal. First, just pull up the mats or rugs where you see those tiny invaders hanging out. Give that area a good vacuum to suck up any ants, eggs, or crumbs that might be attracting them. Next, clean the floor really well with soap and water, or a mild cleaner, to wipe out any pheromone trails ants leave behind so they don't keep coming back. If you want to be extra sure, sprinkle some natural deterrents like cinnamon, coffee grounds, or even diatomaceous earth around the edges where the carpet meets the floor. Don't forget to check for any cracks or openings nearby where ants could be sneaking in and seal those up with caulk or weather stripping. Keep your floors dry and free from food spills because moisture and snacks are like ant magnets. If you're dealing with a stubborn infestation, try bait traps that ants carry back to their colony. It's a slow fix but pretty effective. Just make sure to keep those traps out of reach of kids or pets. One of the biggest issues with ants under carpets is not removing the mats long enough, so you end up just disturbing them and making them scatter instead of getting rid of them. Fix that by leaving mats off for a good chunk of time while you treat the floor. Another mistake is using harsh chemical sprays directly on carpets, which can mess up your flooring and might not even kill the queen ant hiding nearby. Go for targeted baits instead. Lastly, people often ignore small entry points ants use to sneak inside, so they keep coming back no matter what you do. Sealing those cracks is key to stopping new ants from showing up. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you want to find reliable local contractors who actually know how to get rid of pests and handle home repairs right. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done without hassle.